Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this scroll text effect on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select your clip. I'm just going to select this one, and then I'm just going to go to library. You can add this, or you can simply just add the text, but I want to add in like kind of like a footer background. Just going to make this wide and like place it like down here, so there's like a footer sort of. You can make it as big as or as small as you want. Go to text and add in your default text, and just type in maybe like, welcome to my channel, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, love you, something like that. You can also change the font if you'd like to, and you are just going to make your font size really small. You can't see that, so I'm just going to select another color. You can make it scroll from here to there or from here to here. I'm just going to do it from the right side to the left. Wait, so okay, I'm just going to place it here. Scroll down to position and size and select the keyframe for position and size. And then at the end of the clip, you're going to want to move it. Whoops, not that one. Let me just lock that first so I don't accidentally grab that one. Should I just use this? I'm just going to use the X position to kind of move it along, and I'm just going to grab that and move it to the left side until I can't see it anymore. And that's it. That's how you can create a scroll text effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.